All right, so we are in section 2 right now. Here are the practical app exercise. And what we need to do here, very simple. Step 1, make two variables called number 1 and number 2 and set one to value 10 and the other to value 20. Step number 2, add two variables and display the sum with echo. Okay, that seems pretty simple enough. And then here, make two arrays with the same values, one regular and the other associative array. If you want to pause the video and go ahead and do that, you can. As a matter of fact, I want you to do that. I want you to try, since we already went through this in the lectures, it should be very simple. So pause the video, go back, and if you need to watch that lecture, watch it and come and do that. After that, I'm going to help you out and do it with you. All right, so pause the video and do that. All right, so hopefully you were able to pause the video and did that. Now, if you weren't able to do it, don't worry. We're going to be able to do it right now. So let's go ahead and start doing that. So it's telling us to declare two variables, right? So let's start with the variables, number 1, and we're going to set it to 10. Then variable number 2, right? And we set this one to 20. Pretty simple enough. Then we are going to be echoing this, and we're going to be echoing number 1 plus number 2. All right, let's put this in. Let's concatenate a BR tag, so that way when we write the next steps, nothing is wrong with them, right? We got a space below that. So we got 30 right here, as you can see. Let me make it a little bigger. 30, perfect. Next, we got to make two arrays, right? So let's go ahead and make two arrays. I'm going to call the first one, it's going to be a list array, and it's going to be just a regular array. And I'm going to use the array function right here to make this variable an array, right? So I'm going to put different values here, and I'm going to divide the values by comma. All right, there we go, perfect. So that's one array. Then I'm going to make the other array, and this is going to be array ASO for associative, and also going to use that same format right here, but this one we're going to make a little different. So I'm just going to say number here. That's going to be the key of the array, and I'm going to point the value of it. That's it. That's an associative array right here. All right, with a key of number and a value of 10. Simple enough. And we can echo. Let's echo the first array here, this one, the second array, I'm sorry, and let's make sure it's the same name. We can just copy and paste it here and do that. So here we put brackets, and we refer to the key of the array, so that way we can print it out if we wanted to, right? So let's check that out real quick. And you see that we can see the value of 10. If you want to print out the other, let's make sure we concatenate this with a BR tag. Actually right here. Let's just go ahead and copy that one. Put it above this one. And let's just echo the first one here, right? And the first one, remember, this is a regular array, so we got to echo it with the index of 0. And if we go back, you see the index of 0 is 23, the first one. And then this one is number. Right? Simple enough. Let's look at instructions. We don't have anything else. Perfect. So we are able to complete this section successfully, and hopefully you did the same. So I'll see you in the next section, and good luck. Thanks, and see you in the next lectures.